Hi everyone! In today's species spotlight video, we're going to be learning about Cirsium discolor Mulex wildspring, otherwise known as the field thistle. Now, field thistle is a herbaceous biennial plant that grows to be about 80 to 200 centimeters tall. And this species is important to wildlife as finches, small mammals, and insects all eat the seeds. Additionally, Native Americans use the roots as an herbal medicine to treat wounds and stomach aches. Now, if we take a look at a distribution map of field thistle, we'll see that it is native to the central and eastern United States, as well as parts of Canada. While this species of thistle isn't as invasive as other species of thistle, it still has potential to become invasive in a lot of ecosystems. In fact, in Iowa, field thistle is labeled as a noxious weed. If you're wanting to add field thistle to your landscape, hardiness zones 3 through 9 are ideal for growing it. In general, this species performs well on moist or dry soils and can be found in disturbed areas such as roadsides and abandoned fields. Additionally, field thistle can grow in a variety of habitats and prefers when they're open like tallgrass prairies, pastures, and savannas. Also, it may be found on forest edges, which goes to show that field thistle can grow in partial shade. Field thistle is a biennial, so in its first year of life, it will be a basal rosette, which resembles a head of lettuce. A plant will form a flowering stem after going through at least one winter. However, it can take 2 or 3 winters before it actually produces a flowering stem. When the flowering stem finally comes, it will be pubescent and have an alternate leaf arrangement at the top of the plant, as the picture shows, but it can also have an opposite leaf arrangement near the base. Now, the leaves themselves are simple, lobed, toothed, and have sharp spines. A way to distinguish field thistle from the highly invasive bull thistle, otherwise known as Cirsium vulgare, is to look at the bottom of a leaf. The bottom of a field thistle's leaf will be palish white, while the underside of a bull thistle leaf will not be. Thistles are members of the Asteraceae family, which is the same family that sunflowers are in. The members of this family produce inflorescences that contain many small flowers. And those of field thistle contain over 100 disc flowers that are shaped into long tubes, and they have no ray flowers. This species blooms June to October, and when it does, it produces pink to purple flowers that can rarely be white. The flowers themselves produce a ton of nectar that attracts bees, hummingbirds, moths, beetles, and butterflies. Additionally, each small flower on the head is perfect, containing 1 pistil and 5 stamen. In the photo above, you can actually see pollen being released. Now, directly underneath the flower head are bracts that are flat, green, and have a white stripe in the middle. These bracts are referred to as phyllaries, and to me, they resemble fish or dragon scales. Okay, after flowering, the seeds have matured, and the field thistle plant will die. The seeds themselves are small achenes that are dispersed by the wind. However, most of the seeds will fall relatively close to their parental plant. Alrighty, thank you all for watching. I hope that you enjoyed learning about Cirsium discolor, otherwise known as the field thistle with me. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you all in my next video.